Welcome everybody. Are your deals of the week? This is deals for the month actually of February to March 7th. So we got a bunch of deals here. We're just going to be talking about Newark for this presentation and this video, and we'll bring you some other deals along the way. So the key assumptions that we have for Newark are similar to before. There's a new presentation format, as you can tell. The first is that we are looking at 100% of list price, 25% as your down payment, 5% as your interest rate, $15 to $2,000 a year, or $650 per unit per year for insurance, $300 per quarter for water. Maintenance is $50 per unit per month, and we are building in a vacancy factor of 8.33 to 9.1%. All right, so about a month has gone by. Not a lot of deals came in February over a period of time, and that's why we kind of slowed down deals of the week. Until now, we got 3 really good deals for you. We'll go through them so you can take a review and understand the benefits of each one and why we like them at RER. First one we got is it's Highland. It's a value add deal. You can achieve a cap rate of about 9.3% here. Putting in a few dollars into the investment, we are looking at the investment dollars of about $15,000 to $20,000, and that should achieve a 13.5% rate of return on cash flow, which is about $676 per month. All right. So that is given the fact that you're going to be putting about 25% down and adding in the dollars for the fix-up, which is predominantly associated with separating the units and doing some cosmetic upgrades to the units as well. Separating the heating units, I mean, and doing the cosmetic upgrades. So your all-in dollars look like about $140,500. That includes purchase price, closing costs, rehab dollars. The asking price for this property is about $120,000, which looks like an all-in investment per unit of about $70,250. So if you're looking to achieve a 13% rate of return and want to buy a property in the North Ward of Newark, this is worthwhile to look at. It's a value add deal. All right, that's the first deal for Newark we got. We'll jump into the second one, Wakeman Ave. It's a cash flow deal. It's predominantly ready to go. It's a short sale. The asking price for this property is $95,000. We put in about another 5 to 10,000 in closing costs, and then another about 15 grand and just some cosmetic upgrade buffers and separation of heating system or upgrade of heating systems. By doing that, you can achieve a cap rate of 9.6. Yes, all the cap rates are stabilized, and a cap rate basically is your updated net operating income divided by your purchase price off the asset. So that's how we've achieved the cap rate dollars there. The cash on cash return is about 14%, which is a little bit higher than the previous deal, or $987 per month. You're looking at a buy point per unit of about $61,500. It's a really good asset just because of the fact that it has parking already included in there, and that's worth considering. In this area of Newark, it's actually a good rarity to find, so that's definitely a value proposition in the long run. So you can look at this investment. You're going to be about $61,500 all in per unit. It is a smaller two-family, as you can tell from the picture there, but it can achieve you about $1,000 per month based on our core assumptions that we outlined at the beginning. All right, and this is my deal. You can see my little thumbs up there. Sherman Ave Burnout. This is in the South Broad Street section. It's going to need some dollars into it. We project to be about 80 to 90 into this investment. It's a 3-family, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath each unit, and it's got a driveway with a 2-car parking on the left-hand side of the property. After putting it on all the dollars of buying, fix up, holding, we're looking at about a 10.5% cap rate, which should achieve you about a 13.1% cash on cash investment, and your all-in dollars about $178,000, which is $59,300 approximately per unit. The reason we like this deal is we like the density. 3 beds, 1 bath each unit is really good. And we are only assuming 3 beds, 1 baths being rented for about $1,000 per unit. you can easily achieve about $1,100 to $1,200. You got some more upside there. The cash flow 1564 is pretty impressive in our opinion, and the fact that you got some equity buffer fixed up. This property could probably be worth right around 225 to 230, which gives you an opportunity to do some cash out refinance options so that you can potentially pull out a chunk of your equity and still have a great cash flow return. So those are our core deals for this month basically and up to March 7th. So we invite you to take a look at them, give us a call, and look forward to seeing you guys next week. Thank you so much.